Best Solana NFT Marketplaces. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to be showing you the best Solana NFT marketplaces where you can buy and sell your Solana NFTs. So let's get started. At first, we have a platform which is called Market. It is one of the very first Solana NFT marketplaces, and it is one of the very famous ones as well. Here you will be able to find all of these amazing Solana NFTs, which include 3D NFTs and GIF, and every type of NFT is actually available here on Market. This is the website that you can see, which is Market, and you will be able to see all of these amazing collections right here. If we go up, you will see the search bar right here where you can actually find different collections. And when we talk about the collection, the good thing about Market is that all of the collections are verified, and as Digital Eyes is one of the very first Solana NFT marketplaces, it has that kind of, different, very unique NFTs and verified NFTs that were, created first. So if you want to go for a solo means you will be able to, go ahead. So when we click on solo, you will be able to see all of these different options. For example, you can browse creations and you can actually browse artists as well. Here you will get an idea of how you can actually create your NFT as well. What you have to do is just click on create. Now solo actually means your own profile, in simple words, where you can create your NFT and where you can actually search for different NFTs that are available. After that, there is an explore option where we go to explore different NFTs from different artists, and you can, search different NFTs, and any Solana NFT that you are looking for, you can actually go ahead and go to the marketplace to buy the NFTs. It's super simple. And in order to sell your NFTs, you will see this option of sell. If we go to sell, you will be able to see that what you have to do is just connect your wallet, which option is also given here, and you can connect your wallet from here as well. Simply click on connect wallet, and after that you just simply select your Solana wallet and then you connect it. Once your wallet is connected, you can go ahead and you can list your NFTs, and then you can simply sell them on Market. Super easy to use, super professional platform, and not that strict when it comes to the policies and everything. Very beginners friendly. And when we talk about the NFTs, all of the categories are available. It's a pretty good looking website as well, and you will be able to find all of the verified collections as well. For example, one of the very famous ones, these stylish studs and pesky penguins and Solana monkey business. These are all of the different famous collections that you can find on Market. So yeah, if you are looking for a platform to buy and sell your Solana NFTs, then you should definitely check out Market. The next platform I have is called Solenoid.io. To come to this website, all you have to do is just come to Solenoid.io and you will land on this amazing platform, which is a Solana NFT marketplace. Again, you can see right here, this platform is actually one of the very modernized and upgraded marketplaces that are available for Solana NFTs. You will be able to search different collections and tokens from here. In the collection option, you can go ahead and go to check out all of the collections. You will see the Solenoid in stats. You can see that 1,759 daily sales, and total sales is up to 4 million, and SOL volume is 5,000, and total SO volume is 4 million. So that is pretty good. And when we go down, you will be able to see all of the hot collections, top collections from different top creators, and then new collections. Now Solana is kind of like this amazing, when we talk about gaming NFTs and different art and digital NFTs, then Solana is one of the best. It is super easy. You just connect your wallet, you can buy NFTs, and then you can sell your NFTs as well. To select your wallet, all you have to do is just click on select wallet, and then you simply add your Solana wallet here, you will actually get all of these different options. Whatever you are using, you will simply connect your wallet, and once your wallet is connected, you can just go ahead and create your NFTs. The process is super simple. And then in order to buy NFTs, of course, again, you will actually have to select and connect your wallet. Once your wallet is selected and connected, then you can just go ahead and buy and sell NFTs. If we go to collection real quick, let me show you that what kind of collections can be found on Solenoid. You can see right here that these are the different collections. These are top collections in 7 days, and you can check out their items. For example, 7K, 6.5K, amazing. And all of these amazing Solana NFT collections are given here. You can actually check out their total volume as well. So you just discover different collections from here. You can explore. If you want to search any collection or token, you can do that from here. And once you have done that, you can just simply go ahead and buy your Solana NFTs very easily. Very a simple platform to use, not that complicated, and once you get used to it, you will actually love it. So yeah, guys, the second on list is Solenoid.io. The third platform that I have is called Soulc.io. Now Soulc.io is one of very new Solana NFT marketplaces, and it is actually very new. It just came out, but it actually allows you to create and choose and license your NFTs, which is pretty amazing. You can actually go ahead and collect different NFTs. You can create them, you can mint them, and the platform looks pretty amazing, and you will be able to find all of these amazing and famous creators and artists on Soulc. Of course, it is new, it is upgrading with time as well, but as we talk about, being new, it is pretty good because there are verified collections as well. You will see this blue tick with the verified collections that are available on Soulc, and you can see this one right here. If I show you, if you want to open up any NFT on Soulc, you simply click on the NFT and it will open it up, and you can actually check out their number and their price here, and views and likes are also shown below. So this is super simple. You can see the look of the website is super not that complicated. You can actually check out their recent sales right here, and you can check out their stats for how much NFTs are selling and what is the marketplace. If you want to go to explore, you will find two options of NFTs where you can actually find individual NFTs, and then there are collections where you can go to different collections and check out their NFTs. In the create, again, you can actually create any NFT, an individual NFT if you want to mint, and then a collection option where you can actually mint your whole collection here. After that, it is a new option, and it is a stat. You can check out their volume and how they are doing. So if you are following any particular collection, then you can just go ahead to Soulc and check out their stats. After that, there is a calendar option where you can go ahead and check out the calendar view of different stats as well. Then FAQ, of course, and connect wallet. The good thing about Soulc is that you can actually go ahead and choose your language. It is available in different languages as well. So this is pretty amazing if you want to go ahead and do that. If you want to change the theme, you can just change the theme of your website as well. So pretty good looking website, and it is actually upgrading with the time. The collections are coming in, but it has the potential to be one of the best, and you should definitely check out Soulc.io if you are looking for Solana NFT platform. So yeah, guys, these are the three platforms that I wanted to show you. These are the marketplaces to buy and sell Solana NFTs. If you are into Solana NFTs, then you should definitely check out these platforms and go ahead and choose whichever you liked more, and just explore them, and then you will be able to buy and sell your NFTs very easily. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.